Alright, what's up guys? It's me, your boy, Cheif Shiba. I'm just gonna call myself that for now. Alright boys, today I'm teaching how to make eggs, alright? First, you get 2 eggs, you know? You got a professional, okay? Alright, once you got your 2 eggs, you're gonna want to, oh crap, I missed, alright, once you got your 2 eggs in the bowl, you know, you just gotta mix it, you know? Let me just, put the camera down for a second. Alright, once you mixed up your eggs and they're nice and liquidy-ish and yellowish, you gotta get the pan ready, you know? And you gotta get that butter, alright? Alright, once you got your butter on like a spoon or whatever, throw it down. Just smear all around, you know? Just, yeah. Smear all around and then you're good for it then. Alright, once your pan looks like it's all buttered up, grab your eggs, you know, and just, yeah, just pour it on there, you know? Now that I think about it, I don't think I mixed this right. Oh well. Alright, and you just let the eggs like sit in the pan there for a little bit, yeah? And then once they're finished, you just gotta, yeah. Nice and hot. And then once you're done, you can just put pepper or whatever you want. And, yeah, that's all. Taught you how to make eggs. And, yeah, goodbye, y'all. Subscribe to Cheif Shiba, you know? Okay, good. My grandma's not home yet. That means I can make this video.